Hello students, let us see one more example to find the product using suitable properties. Our example is minus 17 multiplied by minus 29. Here minus 29 is nearer to 30. So write minus 30 plus 1 instead of minus 29. So minus 17 multiplied by minus 30 plus 1. Now use distributive property. Minus 17 multiplied by minus 30 in one bracket and minus 17 multiplied by 1 in another bracket. So minus 17 multiplied by minus 17 multiplied by minus 30. 17 3s are 51 and minus into minus plus. So 510. Plus. Because here is the sign of plus. Plus minus 17 into 1 is equal to minus 17. Here plus minus minus, so 510 minus 17 is equal to 493. So you can solve this product easily using properties. One more example. Minus 57 multiplied by minus 19 plus 57. Here in first term you have minus 19 in product of minus 57, but here only 57, so write 57 multiplied by 1. Now you can see in these two terms 57 is common, but here is minus 57, so you can write 57 multiplied by transferring minus, here minus into minus plus. So 57 multiplied by 19 plus 57 multiplied by 1. Now in these two terms 57 is common. So 57 multiplied by in bracket 19 plus 1. So 57 multiplied by 20. 19 plus 1, 20 is equal to, the answer is 1140. So now you can solve these examples that I will give you in homework. Now next sum. Example 5. Suppose we represent the distance above the ground by a positive integer and that below the ground by a negative integer, then answer the following. First question: an elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 5 meter per minute. Here 5 meter per minute. So what will be its position after 1 hour? 1 hour here per minute. So convert hour into minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So the solution is, since the elevator is going down, so the distance covered by it will be represented by a negative integer. Change in position of the elevator in 1 minute. Per minute means 1 minute. change in position of the elevator in 1 minute is equal to minus 5 meter. Why minus? Because the elevator is going down. So we will represent the distance by negative integer, that is minus 5 meter. So write the statement, change in position of the elevator in 1 minute is equal to minus 5 meter. So the change in position of the elevator in 60 minutes is equal to minus 5 multiplied by 60. Here position of elevator in 1 minute is given. Then find the position of elevator after 60 minutes. So minus 5 multiplied by 60 is equal to minus 300 meter. That is 300 meter below ground level. Second question, if it begins to descend from 15 meter above the ground, what will be its position after 45 minutes? Here, change in position of the elevator in 45 minutes is equal to, once again write the statement, this. Change in position of the elevator in 1 minute is equal to minus 5 meter. So change in position of the elevator in 45 minutes is equal to minus 5 multiplied by 45 is equal to minus 225 meter. That is 225 meter below the ground level. But here you have given that it begins to descend from 15 meter above the ground. So the final position of the elevator is equal to minus 225 plus 15 is equal to minus 210 meter. That is 200 meter below the ground level. Now see the same example in exercise. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. Our first question, the company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? Here, number of white cement bag sold is 3000 and number of grey cement bag sold is 5000. So number of white cement bag sold is equal to 3000. Number of grey cement bag sold is equal to 5000. Here we will make equation. See, if he sold 3000 white bag, then the company earns profit of rupees 8. Here the number of white cement bag and profit plus number of grey cement bag multiply by loss. A company has loss of rupees 5. So we will write loss in minus integer. Number of white cement bag multiply by profit. Number of grey cement bag multiply by loss is equal to 8 3s are 24,000 plus 5 5s are minus 25,000 is equal to 24,000 plus minus 25,000 is equal to minus 1,000. Here the loss is in loss because the answer is minus. So what is its profit or loss? So its profit, its loss, because the answer is in minus. So its loss is of rupees 1,000. Second question. What is the number of white cement bag it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? If the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags, here you have to find number of white cement bag. So what will you do? Here we have not given number of white cement bag, and if the company sold white cement bag, then profit is rupees 8 plus number of grey cement bag is given 6,400 grey cement bag, and if the company sold grey cement bag, then it has loss of minus 5 rupees per bag. You will find number of white cement, and what is given? The company have neither profit nor loss, means the answer is 0 because they have neither profit nor loss. So here you have to find number of white cement. Suppose the number of white cement bag is x. So 8 into x, 8x plus 6,400 multiply by 5 minus 32,000 is equal to 0. Is equal to, now 8x plus minus 32,000 is equal to 0. Therefore 8x is equal to, here minus, if you transfer this on the right hand side, then it will become plus. Put the opposite sign of minus 32,000. So x is equal to 32,000 divided by 8 is equal to 4,000. 8 4s are 32. You can do this sum by another method also. Suppose number of grey cement. The another method is this. Number of grey cement bag is equal to 6,400. So by selling these 6,400 bag, they have loss is equal to 6,400 multiplied by 5 is equal to rupees 32,000. For no profit and no loss, there should be a profit of rupees 32,000. So number of white cement bag sold to earn a profit of rupees 32,000. Number of white cement bag sold is equal to 32,000 divided by 8 is equal to 4,000. So number of white cement bag sold is 4,000. But this method will be better for you. Again see here, in question number 1 we have written number of white bag multiplied by profit plus number of grey bag multiplied by loss. So here also you can write in same method number of white bag that we have to find multiplied by profit plus number of grey bag multiplied by loss is equal to, here no profit and no loss, so write here 0. Then 8 into x, 8x plus multiplication of this is minus 32,000 is equal to 0. Now 8x minus 32,000 is equal to 0. Put the opposite sign when you transfer this number at right hand side. So 8x is equal to 32,000. So x is equal to, here 8 into x. Here is the sign of multiplication. By change the side, the multiplication 8 is in here, 8 is in multiplication. Now when we transfer it to another side, it will go in division. So 32,000 divided by 8 is equal to 4,000. So the number of white bag, that is x. So the number of white bag is 4,000. So complete this exercise 1.3 in homework. Next, division of integer, that we will see in next session.